Welcome to Newark, Delaware. Yeah, that little snowstorm that you saw like a couple days ago. Yeah, we're getting hit with another one. This one we're supposed to get like a foot or something of, and it is covered. Like it looks like that sidewalk bit over there is literally level with the ground. And this car has like a pound of snow on the back windshield. And it is on the jack. Like, here, let me get my glove on. Yeah, attempt to get one. There we go. Oh. Let's see, how deep is the snow in its deepest part? Oh my god, look how deep it is on the deck. On the deck. I know for like northerners this might be like normal, but for Delaware, I don't think this has happened since like 1972 or something, like when we had that great blizzard or something. But look, all this snow. Like this is all on top of a deck, a 3rd-story deck. My feet are cold. Just look at all this snow. Just look at all this snow. There's my glove. Yeah. Is that the snowplow? There's the snowplow! Let's go! Yeah! Snowplow! Let's go! Yeah! Cat for the win! Yeah! Dude, there's like a whole bit of snow. Where are you going? Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone because it was so slippery. Oh, there goes football. Anyway, this is the coolest snowstorm I've ever seen in my life. Bye, guys. Snow!